What's up guys? Have you ever forgotten the password of the EFI PadLock? So when you want to install a new system, you find out your computer has a EFI lock, but you have forgotten the password. Or you bought a second-hand computer, you want to install a new system, you don't know about the padlock, the password of the EFI padlock. So in this case, you cannot install a new system. And so today, we have brought you guys a new device to teach you guys, to show you guys how we unlock the EFI padlock, so that you can install a new system. So if you are interested in this video, and please keep watching this video, and we're gonna explain to you guys step by step. So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. Once again from Shenzhen myself. So as I told you guys, we're gonna bring you a device. We're gonna bring a device to teach you guys how to unlock this EFI padlock. So of course we're gonna need a computer. We need this computer because this is what we're gonna work on. We're gonna unlock this lock. So we need a screwdriver. So this is screwdriver. So later we need to open this part. So this part. So we're gonna need a screwdriver, and we need this device. So this is device DS809. So this is device we're gonna use to unlock this EFI lock. And of course we're gonna need a computer. We need a Windows computer. I have already asked our technician. He said for Windows 7, 8, 10, you can use all those systems to unlock the EFI padlock of this computer. As I also explained to you guys in the beginning, so this device works for iPad, but not iPad, sorry, not iPad, Macbook, because I have a, so later we're gonna, on the screen, we're gonna put the, from which year to which year, because like MacBook Pro, or we have from 2010 to 2017, and the other MacBook Pro and also MacBook and the other models, we're gonna have the list. We're gonna have the list we put on the screen. You're gonna see for which year. Almost all the computer, iMac as well, computer or notebook, laptop, you can unlock almost everything, every model. I talked to our technician. He said only iMac Pro, only iMac Pro. This is new. We cannot unlock it, but the rest of the laptop, you can unlock with this device. And also, as I said, we're gonna put on the screen all the description to let you guys see all clearly, because you don't understand my English. So we're gonna put on the description on the screen, let you guys see clearly. So for which year this device works for. Okay, now here we go. We're gonna ask our technician to show you guys how to do this step by step. And also, I've never used this device, so I'm gonna, as a new, let's say like a new guy on this. So I'm gonna ask our technician any question I have here. So I'm gonna ask him. So probably we have the same question, and also later I'm gonna use my cell phone. I'm gonna do a video on live. Probably guys have videos on questions, so I'm gonna also ask him to make sure guys have all the. I'm trying to give you guys all the answer, all the doubts you have. So I'm gonna help you with that. But if you still have any more questions, you can leave the comments on the comments area. Hey guys, we have our technician here, and let's get it started. So let's see. So this computer, this laptop is already locked. So probably you're trying to install a new system. So you're trying to get rid of the system or get rid of this lock by installing a new system, but it doesn't work. 你不用试一下那个 U 盘吗
？U 盘这个插播器接口的，我那个是你有转插播器接口的吗？转 USB 的
？No, I don't have the device, so it's okay.
没事，那不用管，不用试。
I was trying to talk to our technician that in to show you guys how, because a lot of people they might try to like get rid of the system by installing a new system, but it doesn't work as you said, as I told you guys. That's why I told him to use the USB to show you guys, but he said because this one it has it's as we can see there is it's all thunder. It's another Type C. It's Type C. It's not a USB, so that's why we cannot show you guys. But it doesn't work because if you are a technician, you know it doesn't work. So the first step we need to open the I guess call this cover, the battery cover. So we open this part, and let's go to the other side. I come to this side. You have to disconnect battery. So here, this is the battery.
这个线拔掉就可以了。
We have so this is the
单拔条线就可以了。
this we need to.
这条线。
So this is the can we put the computer the camera closer? Wait a second, put it closer. Yes, closer.
因为我们找这个。
Here, can we see this clear? Okay. Then what's the next step?
我们找这个座子 SAM 座。
This is SAM socket.
对，然后对应的我们这里。
So this is the socket. Remember, this is the socket. Okay. Firstly, disconnect the battery, then find out this socket. Okay, next step.
我们找这个座子，就这个。
So as we can see here, can we see this clear? Is that clear? Okay. This is the cable.
是这个第一角，对应的我们这里就是第一角，因为这样插上，插到这里。这样可以。
Okay.
是，然后我们要打开这个机器的这个图纸。
So we need to say the it's like diagram, right?
这个还有我们看一下这个版号，它的版号在这里。
And we need to see
你看到吗？这个机器的820-00-281。
okay.
这个主板的版号。
Here you can see the number of this motherboard. It's okay. Later you take picture. You take a picture and you put on the video. So here you can see the 826 like 002 0028 1 or something like this. This is the number of the motherboard. Okay.
对应在这里。
So let's go the other side here. We probably can see, yeah, this is 820.00221A. Okay, that's it.
我们这个是它的图纸。
This is the
这是它的图纸。
this is scan. I guess called SCHEN.
我们打开它点位图。
也就是说，每个人还必须要有一个。
必须要有一个电脑。它这款是要接这个电压的，其他的都不用。
OK。
然后我们找到这个芯片，是这个反面这个芯片，这个 这个就是我们这个 BIOS 这个芯片。
BIOS,
是
BIOS, right?
是 BIOS。
BIOS. So how we can find this one?
这个就是主板一般这个8个角的嘛，在主板的反面。这个。
This is the BIOS.
其实在我们图纸上也可以U160的，是一样的，这样拍上去。
Okay, we find this SPL ROM. So this is the chip, BIOS, right?
是我们要找这个第8角，要给它一个供电。
We need to find out this device. We need to find out the.
对。
Okay.
所以我们看它通到哪里，因为我们现在没拆主板嘛。就要里。
Sorry.
好，这些点都是跟它通的。那我们这个是反面的图片，我们要看正面的。那我们这个要接在这里，这些都是跟它通的嘛。
So those are, if you're a technician, you understand this. Those are those points which connecting to each other.
是我们随便点一个点，就是把这个探针，因为我们要用的这个探针。
We're gonna use this probe.
是，随便点一个点就可以了。
Okay.
来试一下。探针连上，然后拿出这个机器，在这里，插到电脑上面。
So we need to connect this box, the device to the computer. So use this cable. This cable is already in the box. So you gotta use this cable, connect to this box. So with as we show you guys this socket.
然后打开这个软件。
Now where's the software? So we have to switch on the software. This is RT8099 iFix program. Okay.
跟我这个是同一个那个。
这个软件在哪里找的？
然后。
他们需要下载这个软件吗？
是，这个我们到时候都会给他发的。
Okay, so this software you need to download it. We're gonna send it to you.
有这个机器，说明识别到这个连接到这个机器。
So if you see the serial number, it means this computer is already connected to with this box. Okay.
好，我们
If
把
you saw this.
现在把这个探针接到刚才那个点，就我们刚才看的这个点。
We have already saw on the computer.
随便哪个点都可以。
All the
对，跟它相同。
all the points are connected. So we probably need to find out.
都可以，这些点白色的点都是通的嘛，都可以。随便点一个，现在就可以了。我现在点的这个点。
So how can I find out this one?
是都可以嘛，就在这里。
So this is the chip. This is the chip and.
这下面这个电子向外。
这个是反着的吗？
反过来是啊，主管是这个。
Okay.
这个嘛，主管是这样子的。我这个是反过来的。
Okay.
是点在这里。这个是这个芯片，是这个芯片嘛。
这个主板下面就是我们现在看的这样是反着的。
是啊，反过来了，反过来的。这是反面，这样才是正面。
Okay.
是我们要反过来。
Because the motherboard now we're seeing the rear part of this motherboard, so that's why it's like a reverse.
然后就我们点这里，这个识别这个芯片的型号，一定要先点住这里。 点住它，然后点这里。行。可以，现在识别到这个型号了。
Now
刚才应该这个线没连接好。
we can recognize the currently selected.
这个就是它的型号，这个就是这个芯片。
芯片的型号是吧？
就是我们刚才这个 SPI 这个 ROM 嘛，就是BIOS 芯片的型号。
So this is the model number of this BIOS chip.
这个它的大小。
So this is the capacity.
所以我们现在点读取。
Now we read. Chip pins contact is detected OK. Chip ID verification OK.
好，点这个保存。这个名字可以改，也可以不改，因为我们对应的识别这个时间的，对应的我们这个时间。
Okay, now we save.
对应的我们这里，我们点保存。可以。
It's already saved.
就是这留2个，但是我们要看这个8兆的，你看这个才是，这是8兆。
This is we need to save it. Okay, there are like 2 files. We use the 8 MB.
这个没有容量的。
The another one doesn't work, so we use the 8 MB.
是，好，现在我们就把这个。
Now.
这个要打开这个软件，这个。
There is another WinHex. There is another.
直接拿到这里。
Okay.
打开了。
Okay.
这就是它里面的这个资料。我们要找到这个密码器，就点这个。
We need to find out. So this is all the.
点一下，然后在这个键盘上输这个。
We input. We're using.
大写的
SVS.
是，然后点 OK。
OK.
这里面，这下面开始，这些全部都是密码。
Those are all the password of.
这些到这里，到 FF 前面全部都是密码，这些全部都是密码。是这一段，所以我们要把这一段全部填成 FF。这些都是密码，然后我们选中它，先选中它，然后点这个编辑。
We choose all, then we edit.
这个点这个，然后填成 FF，改成我们的 FF，点 OK。就可以了，这些全部变成了没有了，然后要点保存。
Now we save it.
点 Yes。
Yes.
就可以，所以我们就把这个关掉，然后重新写入。现在我们要点在这里，还是点刚才那个位置，刚才那个，还是点刚才那里，因为我们刚才松开了嘛。然后点写入就可以了，看这里就可以了。
Okay.
要点写入，先打开这个，我们把刚才那个文件写回去也可以。
To this one. Okay.
是，这个就是8兆的这个。
Okay. Then we read, right?
是，直接先打开嘛，把这个选中，然后写入。 成功了，写入成功了。
So now it succeed. That's it's already succeeded. Okay.
可以，那就我们拿掉这个。
Now let's go back. Let's check.
我把这个电池插上。
Now we connect the battery.
.因为这个机器一打开，它自动开机，不用按开机键。是，还有这个应该要第一次开的话，它要插个充电器，那个电源，这个电源，刚才我插那个电源线在地上，插过去的，插上去就可以了。
Oh my god.
是，我们看它有系统，说明这个资料还在，客户的资料还在。
So now the problem is solved, man. Let's turn. You come over here. We turn around to let him to see this. Yeah. Focus on here. That's it. 这不是还有一个密码吗？
不是，它是自己的用户啊，自己用户密码，客户自己的用户密码。就比如说你设的这个屏幕的这个密码，进系统的。
对对。
是进系统的这个密码，这个已经可以进系统了，已经进了系统了，这是客户自己的用户密码。
那我们忘记的是什么密码？
忘记的是那个 ID 啊，那固件锁。这个密码怎么会放在那？这个是自己设计的这个密码。这个不是密码，是像已经进了系统了。这个是比如说我们把这个盖子盖上了，然后你打开，这个用户这个是密码可以装系统可以解决的，比如你忘了，你可以装个系统，是可以解决的，对吧？就像我这个密码一样，看这个，让这个用户密码。
Okay, that's it.
就现在解完了。
Okay, now the system is ready. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, man. This whole process we have already done. So if any more questions, you can leave the comments, and also we're gonna make more videos to let you guys see how it works, and we're gonna have more videos to help you guys and more details. And also I'm gonna have gonna write down the manual to help you guys to see how to use this device. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget the notification bell, to click that bell and follow our YouTube channel. And we're gonna have more videos to teach you guys, to give you guys more videos how to fix the laptop, how to fix iPhone and whatever, and the screens. So give you all the more videos, more informations. Thanks for watching. Bye.